Let me show you how you can change the name of your YouTube channel. So ensure you are logged into the channel you wish to change the name, and then you click your profile icon and then go to where you have YouTube Studio. Now you scroll all the way down to where you have customization. Now it brings you to a page or to a window where you have a couple of options that can be customized. You can change your banner image, your profile picture. Now down here you have two fields. You have name and handle. Okay, so right here, now before we change the name, let's read this notification or notice from YouTube. They said you can only change your channel name twice in a 14-day time frame. Okay, so meaning you can only change your username or the name of your channel twice in 2 weeks. Okay, so you have to be careful to select the name you want to use. So you're going to click the text field here, and then you're going to type the name you want to use for your YouTube channel. So let's just say Graceville. You can just use any name for choice, Graceville. Now you can also change the username. Okay, this is more like your direct channel URL. So if you want to change this, you can also do that by clicking the text field and then use whatever name you want to go for, and just repeat the same as the username. Now it's going to inform you if the username is already, or if the username is available or not. So if you see this green check or green tick sign or icon, it means that the name is available, the handle is available. So when you're done, you go right here where you have publish, and the changes would be effected. That's it.